Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Sweet Zongzi Cozy Nest in Heartopia. So this nest or this bed is very cute like this, and you can get it on this Midsummer Rhyme event. And to get it, it's very easy. For just open the Extend store at the Midsummer Rhyme event banner, this one, and then in here just choose this Cozy Nest, Sweet Zongzi Cozy Nest, and then after that in here uh you need 55 astralis mark words, so make sure you already have enough the astralis mark words. In here I want to buy the astralis mark word with moonlight crystal, my moonlight crystal. You can just get the astralis mark word by buying it with the moonlight crystal, and then next just tap on purchase, and just like that, and I will buy this Sweet Zongzi Cozy Nest. Just tap on purchase, and just like that you will get this Sweet Zongzi Cozy Nest. And if you want to use it, just open your backpack, and then next just place the Sweet Zongzi Cozy Nest, and then just place it on your home like this. And just like that, this nest is very cute, and this nest is actually for your pet, and I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.